Hi everyone, this is the McLaren P1 GTR. So as you can see, it's quite different from the regular P1. Now this is a very limited edition model. Of course, I believe initially they were around 40 or so units planned, but then now some people have taken their P1s and upgraded them to the GTRs. The engine in this is a 3.8 liter V8 which makes around 1000 horsepower. The regular P1 makes around 903 horsepower. So the main difference is the exterior and the interior steering wheel, and of course that rear wing. That's beautiful. So let me just show you the car up front. Here is the wing, the beautiful wing. It's absolutely gorgeous, held by these strong arms made of pure carbon fiber. The interior inside is all carbon fiber. This is tail lights. This is a diffuser. It's amazing. It's a sight to behold. Look, I've already seen two other GTRs of different colors, so I haven't made these reviews of them. I just made 360 videos, so you can find them on my channel. So I hope you like my videos, so I'll upload more. Now there was a Senna here as well, but it was only here for around a couple of hours, so I missed it, unfortunately. So well, at least this baby is here. So do check out my channel and you'll find the 360 video of this, the other GTRs, and other unique supercars like the Chiron, the Veyron, the Koenigsegg Agera, CCXR. Okay, thank you for watching.